What's up, everybody? So we got another project. It's a 458 race car. I'll add some videos of when the accidents happened. It had an engine fire. They actually replaced the transmission and won that race.
He was, and I think, there we see big problem.
That's our Marco Radisek. That's the number 11 in the GT Cup category, a Ferrari Evo.
This is a problem, Greg, 'cause he's on that front straightaway. There's no safety zone to cut into there. I think this should bring out the caution. It does.
Yeah, and that was a smart move for him to get over as close as he could to the pit wall where there's going to be a lot more access. Boy, that thing is seriously ablaze. In the first practice session, the car was set up incredibly stiffly, he said, and it knocked off a brake cooling tube, and he ended up overheating brakes, but obviously that they addressed that. This is something completely different, but this is pretty serious here, and he got over to the pit wall, but now it's just going to be trying to get bottles over there at this stage. Again, clock will continue to run under the caution here. He's out. That's good.
Really good group of guys.
It is.
Great to see them back with the team.
He was in the process of passing a Porsche. Porsche didn't like that and ran him off the road. We got a little Band-Aid action going on. Engine fire. All bubbled up. We'll be fixing all that. Duct tape action. Whatever gets the job done. So we got some damage on the door. This quarter panel. This quarter panel. And rocker. Straight up race car.
has vanished.